Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell your items on Facebook Marketplace? Here's how to post your first listing in 2025. First of all, open your Facebook app or go to facebook.com on your web browser. On the home page, click on the Marketplace from the menu on the left or tap on the Marketplace icon if using the app. Once on Marketplace, click on Create New Listing from left side. Choose a category for your item. You can select item for items for sale, a vehicle for sale, or even property for sale or rent, depending what you are listing. Now enter the title, price, description, and location, like t-shirt, price, category, clothes, men's clothing, then condition like new, size L, XL, double XL. Then coat style, if you sell coat, then fit, classic, modern. Then enter your brand name, description, list as a single item or as in stock, and product tags like t-shirt. Enter your location from location tab. Next, choose how you want to deliver the item. You can select local pickup, shipping, or even local delivery if you offer that option. Once you are satisfied with all the details, click next to review your listing. If everything looks good, hit post to publish your listing on Marketplace. Once posted, you can manage your listing under your account, then sellings. You can edit, mark as sold, or even delete the post if needed. And that's it. Your item is now live on Facebook Marketplace, ready for buyers. Like and subscribe for more quick selling tips.